Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. There are times when you notice some spots on your images, especially if you have been shooting at smaller f-stops like f11, 16 or higher. These are the debris and dust collected on the sensor of your camera when you're changing lenses frequently and shooting in a dusty environment. And it is essential to keep your sensor clean to maintain high quality images. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your sensor safely, step by step. And to do this, you don't need that many items. You need only 3 to 4 items. You need a air blower, and you need this sensor cleaning kit. Also, I use a 4.5x magnifier with light that helps me to see the spots much better. In some cameras like Z6, the sensor is exposed when you change the lens, and in some cameras like Z8 and Z9 and some other brands, there is a shutter that is closed to protect the sensor from dust and debris when you change lenses. Let's open the kit. And this is the kit, the cleaning solution, and the swabs. Just remember, when you purchase this cleaning kit, make sure that it's the right size for your camera. If you have a full frame, buy the full frame. If you have ASPC, then you have to get the ASPC kit because the swabs are smaller, and even if you have MTF or micro third fourth, then even the swabs are smaller than ASPC. So just make sure you get the right one. I strongly recommend that before using swabs and the solutions to clean your sensor, use the sensor cleaning feature in the menu of your camera. That helps to reduce the amount of dust and dirt stuck to your sensor. I'm going to walk you through Nikon Z6 menu and show you how to use the sensor cleaning feature in this camera. To set the camera to clean the sensor, just go to Menu, go all the way down to Wrench, find Clean Image Sensor, push OK, and it is done. To clean the sensor, hold the camera, sensor facing down, and blow the sensor a couple of times, and just make sure that you don't touch the sensor. Put this magnifier on the camera, turn the lights on, and I take a look. I can see the spots. Now let's open the swab. Make sure that you don't touch the swabs itself. Do not touch this area. Add a couple of drops of solution. put the swab at the end of the sensor and put a gentle pressure and move to the right. Then change the direction and move to the left. And you're done. After you clean the sensor, do not use this swab anymore. These are disposable, just throw it away, because if you use it again, there might be some debris or dust attached to it and damage your sensor. And a couple of blows, and also you can air blow and clean your lens. Attach it, and we are done with cleaning. As I promised before, I'm gonna give you 3 tips to reduce the chance of getting dust and debris to your sensor. The first tip is to turn off your camera when you're changing lenses. And when you change the lens, hold your camera like this and point the camera down and attach the lens. And the second tip is, when you don't use your camera and lenses, just use the lens cap and the camera cap to prevent any dust or debris getting to the sensor. And the third tip might sound a little bit strange, and it is by using a changing bag, or sometimes it's called lens changing bag, that you can put your hands in with the lens and your camera, attach the lens to the camera inside the bag. It reduces the chance of getting any dust or debris on the sensor or on your lens. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you found it useful. And just make sure that when you clean your sensor, be very patient and gentle. If you like the video, just go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I am posting a new video every Monday or Tuesday. By subscribing to the channel, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding photography or videography, just leave it in the comments and I'd be more than happy to answer for you. As always, take good care, keep shooting. I see you soon. Cheers.